Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study about division command in Fatek PLC with the help of FinProLater software. Let's start. First of all, I open my functions and here I will choose that division command. In previous lecture we will discuss about this multiplication command, and now we will study about division command. Simply click it OK and then give the values. For example, I choose D20 for input value and D30 for division value, and here I will take answer D40. Take the answer in D40. Click it OK. And now what to do? I will download to the PLC, but first of all I will give little introduction about this command. Go to the help and simply click it this help page. Here he will says that's the enabling division control. This is the total ladder for the function block, and what he say in description, performs the division of the data specified at SA and SB and writes the point and reminder to registers specified by register D, that one. When the division control input enabled 1 or from 0 to 1, P instruction, if the point of division is equal to 0, then send FO0 to 1. If the division SB equal with 0, then set the error flag FO1 to 1. That's one. If for example if you choose any bit internal memory or external memory, here also you can use, and otherwise if you no need, no problem. That will only says that in description what happens when this command using our value up or down going, that time this will be happen without executing the instruction. Means any you not execute from enabling, this function will be happened. So let's start. This will make the simulation and make the PLC in run position, and see now at D20 not have any data, D30 also not have any data. So I will go to the status page and simply I will write in here D20, and here I will write D30, which is my division data, which value I like to be division with D20. For example, I will write the D20 35, and 35 I like to multiply by 10. What's the answer? 3. If I write it at D30, for example 3, after this will be value will be 11. Otherwise, for example, simply here I choose 30 and see this one 30 division by 3, answer is 10. Means when you giving the result, any value came from the field this D30, and which figure you write it here at D30, this will be continuously make the division and answer gives to the in the D40. For example, here I will write 20. It is division made with 3 and answer gives in D40. 40, for example, I will write at D20 and it will be make the answer 30 continuously. That's when we're like to be using when you're using in uh, the program from field any value when coming from analog or 4 to 20 millions. After if you like to make the division because of formulas when making in analog signal 0 to 10 volt when making total bits must be reads 3000 bits coming 4000 bits coming after how much calculation made with division this where your value can be at 0 to 10 volt that's you will make here and here you can make the input of the analog it will be continuously shows to your value at T40. Inshallah will be next lectures I will show you how we can read the value of analog signal and how we can make division command multiplication or all commands step by step I will explain to you. And when this data when D40 when you using in the program it's you can use by own way how you making the logic and which type of machine which simple you like to use this can same like you can use. I am telling you only about the learning purpose but what's the any function because of most important thing is you have to understand this division command how we can use simply in the status page you can write any value 50 for example I will write and it will be continuously gives the answer in D40. Here also you can any input you can execute here for example x0 for example if you give put after this will be after executing change the value for example I will write now here 60 and I mix the enter but it will be not passed because of your execution is not here as I give the signal it will be changed. Sometimes when in CNCs or other machines when using somewhere input coming for example here you have a make multiplication and for example you put a speed of one motor you put a one speed of motor this motor speed I need 30 from here this pinpoint when as that sensor reach at the pinpoint after the signal will become after your speed will be changed and applied to your drive. This is later on function next inshallah I will make this with frequency drive how we can change the speed to our from field and our VFD inshallah will be practically I will make this all setup and I will show you and this is the division command. I hope you understand about this command. If you not any understand anything you can send me message or WhatsApp me I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.